Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce these interesting French expressions. We'll be looking at how to say more useful French vocabulary and names as well, so stay tuned to learn more. How do you say it? Mon petit chou is how you say it in French. It means my little chou. If you know what a chou is, it's like a little pastry. So it's like my little darling, my little, affectionate term. Mon petit chou. So petit has a silent T, so it's not petite. If there was an E at the end of petite, it would be petite, but not in this case. Mon petit chou. In English, mon petit chou. Mon petit chou. Mon petit chou. Did you get this, mon petit chou? Like this video if you found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.